Today I'm doing the silly tourist thing and I'm taking a tour. Thank you to all my wonderful guests who took care of me this summer and tipped me well. And yes, I'm going to tip my guide well too. Because hey, I know what it's like to work for tips. These are probably the only original cannons you will see. The others are facsimiles made out of concrete, and jokingly, the locals say those fake ones are all from China. Hey, it sounds believable. I don't know if it's true. Okay, all you Pirate of the Caribbean freaks, here's your moment in Cartagena. Check it out. Ain't that rad? But I'm here for a fun and silly walking tour with another guide because, hey, this is my vacation, so I get guides too. Don't forget to tip your guide.
That is the definition of the best. But you know what? I prefer, okay, I like it. I like this one. If one of you want, you can come and feed them, and the other one take a picture. That one. Look. Yes, you wanna do it? You wanna feed them? Yes, come on, Natalie. I will take a picture, a video. Yeah. Good. When they are not hungry, stay out there, they never come down. Never. Yeah, you're gonna feed them, come on, Nick.